Hey guys, welcome back to Unreal Legend. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing review of this Govee ceiling light. What we're going to do, we're going to unboxing and review of this light. So without further ado, let's open this light up. So I'm going to open it here. Alright, let's see what's inside. As you can see, it's an empty box. And this is the actual light. So we're going to open it up. So this is the user manual, as you can see here. Got the quick starter guide. Shows you how to install it on the ceiling. It's got Dream View. Alright, so let's see the actual light. So alright, so here's the actual light. As you can see, it's huge. I install this into your ceiling. We've also got screws to pull it in. Put this in this side and you install it in your mains so you can get power to the light. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this in the ceiling. So as you can see, I've now put the light on the ceiling, and as you can see in the screen, you can see I've got the app open, and I'm going to go through the different modes to show you how each mode looks like. So right now we're on color mode. I'm going to put it on dark blue, as you can see. Green, you can choose yellow, and it really looks insane. It fills up the whole room. You can even change the brightness. I'm going to make it 21, as you can see. I can make it really dark as well. Also got purple, and then you can also see the color palette, so you can make it your own custom color. Tap anywhere on the screen, you can make your own custom color, and you can even save to my colors, so you can save a specific color on the Govee app. And you also got timer. You can schedule the time that you want the light to turn on. Put time and type on, and you can repeat it. So if you want like an alarm to turn on, or you can even choose wake up and time to sleep, so that will gradually turn off and gradually turn on. Got good features on this light. Now I'm going to show you the scenes. As you can see, we've got here sunrise. As you can see, this is what sunrise looks like. And we've got sunset. As you can see, it pretty much turns the main light on, really bright. And we've got forest. As you can see, it makes the whole room look green. We've also got aurora, which looks really cool. It's all purple now, as you can see here. And now, as you can see, you've got lightning, so like it's flashing light basically, as you can see here. And we've got starry sky. I'm not going to show you every single color, otherwise the video will be too long. You get the gist. Got fire as well. Right, as you can see, it changed to fire. You can see how it flickers. You've got a Gobi desert. You've got wave. See, pretty much looks like a wave. You've got ripple. And that's just the start of it. That's only one tab. And you've got 5 different tabs. So as you can see here, you can change it to party. Change it to fireworks. See, pretty much looks like fireworks. Literally, it's crazy. I'm going to put on technology. As you can see, this is what technology looks like. Siren. Looks like a police siren. And you got white light. That's pretty much like normal light. Got leisure as well. I'm going to put leisure. This is pretty much more warm light. So you've got different emotions like game. And then you've got funny. Put on the flash. And that's pretty much it in the scene. We're going to go in illumination. And as you can see, I've set a few different scenes. So as you can see, this is 220. And I've put that on brightness 30. You can pretty much change. You can edit the brightness over here. We can change the color temperature, as you can see here. And you can change the brightness. This is what 1% looks like. 1% is really dark. Put out medium brightness if you want to save energy. This is what it looks like in full brightness. This is the warmest color, so 2200K. And I'm going to put the most coolest 6500, full 300. which is basically the middle. So that's basically what you want, depending on your scene. We're gonna go over to music, and what that does, that uses your microphone. So I'm gonna go and start pick up, and as you can see, I'm talking right now, and as you can see, as I talk, you can see the light turn on as I speak. So if you got music playing or you're speaking, the light turns on as you speak, which is really crazy. And you can even change the color, take it to green. You can make it even calm. I'm gonna have it as white right now. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in DIY, and as you can see, different lighting configurations that people have shared. So I'm gonna go in a configuration that someone has shared, and as you can see, you can also make your own DIY light. So I'm gonna create my own one. I'm gonna keep it as blue and white, and as you can see, it's changing from blue and white, it's alternating. And you can even change the speed. See, there's a lot of settings on this app. So I don't want to save that right now. Then you've also got AI. So I'm just going to enter sunset, as you can see. And as you can see, it applied for me. I'm just going to save it as DIY. And then you've also got more, so you can add timers. You've got the effects lab. And that's pretty much all there is to the Govee light. It's got a lot of features. So yeah, I'm going to wrap up this video of this unboxing and review of the Govee ceiling light. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you soon.